Walk around a little bit here, guys. Yes, today's the day that we are mounting the 5th gen 3.0 3-liter Whipple on the Undertaker, guys. What do we got going on here, brother?
Well, we got the Undertaker going on. We got engine torn down, ready for oil pump gears and crank sprocket.
We've been told
Height for a drop test.
probably right there. See if they crack.
Ready?
Yep. Now these are the stock oil pump gears, guys. These aren't the ones. Oh. Hope this message finds you all in good spirits. I'm supposed to be an Undertaker, not a cowboy, but yes, check out our fun promos are coming up. But today's a big day. We are at C&D Auto Tech to check out the Whipple. The Whipple is being installed right now. We're gonna see it being laid on top of the motor. We did some good stuff. We're so excited. And if you're watching this in time, happy Memorial Day, happy Memorial Day weekend. Thank you to all those who served and sacrificed for the opportunity for us to have fun like this. You know, it doesn't go unnoticed. Maybe actually when I'm done this record I might be doing military chaplaincy, but just want to say thank you so much to everyone who are in the armed services and those who sacrificed for the greater good of our freedom. But today's going to be a fun day because we have America going on today. We have our Undertaker build, the Mustang. We gotta be here, we're gonna see it laid down, see the plan, see the process. Today's the install of the Whipple. We're so excited, and yes, we got so much more fun to have with this build. We're gonna take it not only to the drag strip, we're gonna take it on the dyno, we're gonna take it and race it. We're gonna have so much fun with it, and the coolest part about it is, all you gotta do is grab some merch and enter to win this car. Without further ado, let's go check out and see what Chuck's up to. C&D Auto Tech. All right, we're back here with Chuck at C&D Auto Tech. What's up, sir?
Pleasure to be here on a Memorial Day weekend.
Yes.
Sunday.
Memorial Day weekend, and
getting it in.
What we got going on here? You see, that is a front.
That's the new bumper for the Hulk.
Oh, we're swapping. We're doing a bumper swap here, guys. Oh man. So what do we got going on here, brother?
Well, we got the Undertaker going on. We got engine torn down, ready for oil pump gears and crank sprocket.
This is the most important mod for a boosted Coyote.
Absolutely.
All right, you want to expound upon that?
The factory oil pump gears, more so than anything, are just weak.
Yeah.
They're not weak, but they're not as strong as they could be.
Sure.
Boosted applications, you're putting a lot more power through the engine, a lot more stress. And if the oil pump gears break, which they've been known to do, you lose oil pressure. What happens if you lose oil pressure in the engine?
I think we know what happens. Now, I've been told that the stock oil pump gears are so brittle that even if you drop them on the ground, they could crack. So the stock OPGs is a little bit brittle. So we've been told
Height for a drop test.
probably right there. See if they crack.
Ready?
Yep.
That sounded like it cracked.
How we looking?
I don't see anything.
Let me see. It did seem like it did sound like it had a little like
it was
yeah
dull. Like,
yeah. Now these are the stock oil pump gears, guys. These aren't the ones. Oh. Well, that's stronger.
A little more robust.
Yeah.
Yeah, that I think it cracked the first one and it broke the second one.
Yeah. So this is why we had to change the oil pump gears in the Undertaker, because I was gonna take them out and drop them just like this. That was pretty good. That was really good.
Yes, and
Yeah.
unfortunately that's not a good test because are you going to take...
Are you going to take, yeah.
I mean, are you going to compare that to, you know, a $400 set of new oil pump gears and drop test those?
Sure.
I'm not. I mean,
let's live dangerously. No, but I mean, just because you would think from a layman's perspective, you drop something metal, that it wouldn't crack. It just, even from, that's just like a layman's test. Yeah.
Absolutely. But due to the design and
sure.
the properties of the material, you know.
Now, yeah, granted, I went NA 10s with the stock oil pump gears. Right. So here's the stock crank sprocket.
I mean, there's really no major difference between them other than this is a more durable material.
Yeah.
And I lost my whole train of thought.
No, it's all good. That's how I explain things. Which involved, obviously, you can see from doing the oil pump gears, you're taking off timing cover, gaskets.
We got to take off the timing cover. We got to take off the valve covers. We got to take off all the timing components, which I've got laid out over here, so I know what side they went back on. You know, main timing chains, tensioners, arms, the whole 9 yards. So all this stuff will go back on the engine once it's all there. Put it all back together. You got to lower the oil pan to get clearance to pull the oil pump off. Damn, I made that look easy.
I know. Star Trek Enterprise just came off. We do this even for turbo applications, even though some people are like, oh, you don't need it for turbo because, you know.
I like to do it on any boosted application.
Got it. So these,
that's
all right.
And just about any oil pump gear that's run, you're going to have some
yeah, a little bit of, yep.
If this oil's bad, I like to just clean them out, get as much of the...
And we'll be using 5W50 going forward for the Whipple.
Absolutely. Castrol 5W50 Syntec is what I use and recommend on all boosted builds. Put a little amount in there on any bearing surfaces. This is the Triangle Speed Shop oil pump gear.
Beautiful.
Make sure it rotates. A little wipe, just make sure everything looks good. Drop it in.
There it goes.
I just didn't want to open it up.
Got it.
Cool deal.
Back in, no special resetting or?
You don't have to do any resetting or anything like that. You just got to, I mean, it's only going to go in one way.
Yeah, exactly.
You just have to line it up with the flats on the crank. Put the crank sprocket on once that's in, and then retime the engine, which there's a specific Ford procedure for doing that. Don't need to go into details on that. Every Coyote, every generation Coyote engine is different.
Got it.
So
this is 3rd gen.
This is 3rd gen, so we leave the engine where it was at when we removed the timing chains. We put the driver's side on. Get all that set up, rotate the engine 1 full turn, and rotate the keyway to the 12 o'clock position. Put the passenger side timing chain on, make sure everything's good, button back up.
Alright guys. So what's the plan today? We're gonna mount the supercharger.
We're gonna deliver the baby.
Uh-oh.
This is the baby. This is the intercooler.
Wow.
Massive.
That is amazing.
This is probably about double.
Yeah, I was going to say the
what's in
500,
your-
yeah.
in the Hulk.
Wow.
It's insane, isn't it?
Those are two back-to-back bricks.
Right. And the way
Just
it
cooling,
flows is it discharges out of here. It's forced up through this section here, and then it turns around up top and it's forced back down through these outside sections. So it's essentially a double pass intercooler.
Phew.
Yeah.
That, I mean, I didn't expect to see that. I didn't expect to see that. That is impressive.
That's massive.
That looks like a radiator for an old, like, regular little car.
Yeah. There's your Honda Civic
Yeah,
radiator.
it's a Honda Civic radiator. Your 3.0 Whipple. All right, and then there's a patented
Gen 5.
rotors.
Yeah. She's gonna make a.
And we're gonna get to hear that Whipple noise, that patented Whipple noise.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
this is so good, so cool.
Hold on a minute. I need some coffee.
Do the coffee thing. I'll walk around a little bit here, guys. Yes, today's the day that we are mounting the 5th Gen 3.0 3-liter Whipple on the Undertaker, guys. That's right. If you guys don't know, we've already done the oil pump gears. Chuck put them in. We are continuing this crazy, awesome build with Chuck and Lethal Performance and Whipple. We're super excited, so should be good. All right. Let me know, guys, if you think we should maybe do something purple with this. Maybe we can do some kind of detail. Let me know, comment below. Or you just want to keep it like this cool, clean black. Someone said it looks like, you know, Undertaker's finishing move, right? The tombstone. Very much like a tombstone, you know? So this does look like a tombstone. Put all the haters to sleep and to bed with what this Whipple Mustang is gonna do. And guys, yes, we are on the stock tires just to get here. We do have the drag pack in there, but what's the next step, sir?
Next step's delivering the baby.
Uh-oh, all right.
So it's a little heavy.
That's so big. God, that's big.
It's heavy.
Jeez. Here we go. There it is, guys.
It's home.
It's home. That looks cool. You know,
And like just.
I was tired. My daughter woke up early last night, and I didn't get much sleep. But now I see this, I'm like, I'm awake. Look at this, guys. Oh, that looks so good.
It fills that engine bay nicely.
It does. It looks really good. I was telling Chuck, like, just the black color and the background really makes everything like almost have a floating effect.
It pops.
Oh, it looks so good. Oh, it looks good. And so what's the next steps after this besides?
Next step, bolt it down. Bolt the drive on the front of the engine, and just put everything back together.
Sweet. And then we just wait for the Whipple tune to come in.
Pretty much.
And one of the things that we did with this setup, guys, this is EPA friendly. So if you do get a chance to get this vehicle, you will not be worried about emissions because California, there it goes. California Air Resource Board Executive Order. It is 91 octane or better. So this is a Whipple certified. You ain't gonna have the feds.
Yep.
The feds won't be knocking on our door.
Yeah, Whipple worked with Ford and with California. Actually, Whipple is located in California.
Yeah.
As you can see, they're in Fresno. And they actually have this set up so that it is 100% emissions compliant.
Awesome.
So,
Yeah, we still have the factory cats on there, and you'll be able to pass inspection, and you still make gobs of power. So that's pretty cool.
Yep.
But guys, if you do want to check it out, please check out the link in the description. Support the RPM Act. trying to make sure we can still modify our cars and have fun with them. So check it out, link in the description. But for the time being, Undertaker is going to be, you know, EPA friendly. But we're still going to have a 93. We're going to see what it does. Yes, you can turn it up. Of course you can turn it up. But we're going to, for now, start up with what this car can do, the 5th gen 3-liter on the Whipple tune on 93 or 91. So that's pretty exciting. If you see this in time, Undertaker will be with me at Ford Nationals, guys. We're going to be at their Cervini's booth. So come say hi. We'll have the hood popped. You can check out all the goodness. And of course, you know, we got dyno sessions. We got first pulls. We got drag setups. We got drag times to do. So it's a lot of fun that's happening. So, where should we put them though?
Maybe that's a question you should ask your viewers.
Where should we put the stickers? Whipple FTW, what does that mean? For the women? I know what that means. Don't want to get demonetized here. Well, where should we put the stickers? Let me know. I'll put the choices in. What I'll do is this. I'll pin my comment for your choices A, B, or C, where we should put these really cool Whipple 3D stickers. We can put them on the one of 3 places.
So you got your cowl area here.
Yeah, definitely you can do the cowl. You can put something here. Let me know. That's option A. You want to put it here, Whipple supercharged. Or we could simply put it very simply inside the engine bay here. Maybe on top of the radiator cover, Whipple supercharged, option B. Or option C, we put it underneath the hood. So it's kind of looking back down at it. All right, well, comment below on my pinned comment, and the comment with the most likes, we'll choose that one.
Yeah, you know, I think.
What's up?
And this is just me being me.
Okay.
But I think you should accent this in purple.
Okay. And then put it on top.
And then bang, that way it pops.
Well, you know what's funny? I'm going to be at Custom Coatings before we go to Ford Nationals. Going to put a little bit of secret stuff on it. We can easily do that. I like that.
I think that would make
that would really pop. I like that. Yep. Whipple supercharged.
But let your fans decide.
Yeah, exactly. I tell you what, we have this nice Whipple build here, but now I'm more excited for where this sticker's gonna go.